So hey guys, today we are covering the Royal Enfield Himalayan. So as you were seeing, it is not an ordinary Himalayan right here. It's a different Himalayan that is a twin cylinder, only one in the world right now. It comes with a twin cylinder engine. It doesn't come basically. The owner of this bike is Manpreet Singh, and he just got an idea in his mind that he needed a twin cylinder engine in his Himalayan because he liked the bike a lot. So he put up a Suzuki engine in it. The bike is Suzuki GS400E. That is a 90s bike, and it's a very rare bike right now. And as you can see, it looks definitely ordinary like a normal bike, but it is not. It delivers a 39 bhp power in it. It has got the Harley exhaust on it, a twin exhaust on it, and as you can see, it's a touring bike. And as we have talked to Manpreet Singh, he also told us that this bike goes from 0 to 150 very easily. That to own a Himalayan, 0 to 150 is literally a great number. So as you can see, the engine, it is now not a fuel injected bike right now. It has been made a carburetor bike right now. It has got a carburetor right here, and the engine, as you can see, it's a twin cylinder engine. Those are the two exhausts that is coming from the engine, and else it's same as Himalayan. As you can see, all the meter, all the tank, everything is of Himalayan. Nothing has been changed as such, just the engine has been changed, and that gives a massive difference in its power. Even the sprocket has been changed. It has been given a 43 T sprocket instead of a 38 T sprocket on it. That balances the power very well with such a massive engine on it. And as far as right now, I didn't have any experience of riding it, but as you can see, it's raining right now. We will be having a rain ride on it, and I will tell you the honest opinion about it. And as you can see, it's a proper touring machine right now. It's a massive touring machine. No one needs another bike when they have a twin cylinder Himalayan in their garage. Himalayan, one of the revolutionary bike in India that brings in touring community, and it has got the Royal Enfield saddle space on it, jerry cans on it, and it's a fully equipped touring and off-roading bike right now. I don't think, and it can easily compete with all the bikes that come in 200cc to 400cc segment as it's a twin cylinder engine bike. It has got both disc calipers, vibri. Nothing of this bike has been changed till now. Even the chassis has not been changed. If Manpreet Singh wants to put back the Himalayan engine on it, he can easily put the engine, as there is no cutting chassis or any faulty part. So that's the best part about the bike, as the originality has not been compromised in this bike. Even if you can see, the engine fitting is absolutely great. This shows mixture of a pure talent and kind of, we can say, his inspiration or what he wanted, and he made it. I don't think what is Himalayan doing till now. If they can't see this, then I think they should see this, and they should bring a twin cylinder Himalayan really soon, as it's a massive and great machine. That's all for the video, and the next video will be about ride on it, so stay tuned for the speed and everything. That's all. Thank you guys, and thank you.